Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today I'm going to teach you how to play the song Adrenaline by Why Don't We featuring AB6IX. It's the remix, okay? For this song, we're not going to be using the capo. It's going to be very basic. We're using 4 chords. If you don't know them, you can check out my chord video. It has a detailed illustration, but let me just show you real quick. We're playing A minor, C, F, E major, okay? Okay, so my strumming pattern here is basically down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so you can flick that with your index finger. Just don't try to like strum all the strings at once because that'll slow you down. When you're strumming down, you can strum the top strings, and then when you're strumming up, you can strum the bottom strings. Okay, so try to sit your palm after every flick up to mute like that. Alright, and if you want to just pluck the strings, you can do that also. That is pretty much the whole song, guys. You can play it with basic chords. You can put your capo on fret number 5 and play it like this. That's E minor to D, sorry, E minor to G, C, and then this is a B minor 7, which is basically A minor in frets 3 and 4, and then you fret the second, and then you bar the second fret. You can play this as 0-2-0-2-3-0. That's an easier way of holding it, but yeah, I think it's easier to play without the capo. That's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. If you would like to see more content like this, do subscribe and leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.